How to see all of someone's repost on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can see all of someone's repost on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you wanted to find your own repost and videos that you have reposted, you had to come to your profile page and tap this infinity arrow icon here, which will show you a list of all the videos that you might have reposted in this case. And if you want to see someone else's repost that they might have reposted, you just need to go to their profile page. But as you can see, even if I just tap the three lines option here, there is no the repost option. Now this option can only be enabled if they have made it public, because if the users liked videos and reposted are private, you can see the users liked videos are private, it shows up like that. So similarly, you can just go ahead and select that, and you can select that option. If they have allowed it, you should be able to see everything that they have reposted. Now they will basically also show up whenever they repost something, it will show up on your feed as well. So hope this video helped you as to how you can see all of someone's repost on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.